Hey there, YouTube modeling community. Coming at you here with the finish of the February group builds. This was kind of a cool group build because we get to get rid of a lot of boxes that have half-built stuff. Really thought it'd be cool to do, so I entered 3 cars. I watched your guys' videos, what you guys been doing. Really enjoyed it. You guys are a great inspiration to me. Really enjoy watching those videos. My group build was a what was it, a 94 Camaro 1/20th scale, a Porsche, and the Pontiac Banshee. Let me show you what happened. So here's my group builds. I did absolutely no work whatsoever on any 3 of these cars. Said I would, and I didn't. So this is my final video for the February group build. I'll catch you guys later.